Boys and girls, it's Mr. Jules' Geyser Experiment! Hi class, welcome to Mr. Jules' Geography Experiment. I have some things in front of me. First off is a bottle of Diet Coke. Here we have the vent. Here we have the reservoir. Inside the reservoir, or the bottle, is Diet Coke. Diet Coke is going to be our hot water. I also have a packet of Mentos. The Mentos are going to represent the hot rocks. Hopefully the more hot rocks I add to my bottle of Coke, the bigger I'm going to get a geyser. That's the theory. Let's test it out. Okay, let's test out that theory. Gonna put my bottle of Diet Coke into the kitchen sink so that when it explodes, I don't get Diet Coke all over the place. Watch closely now. There's the top of my vent. I'm gonna take some Mentos. Let's start off with just one Mento. So just one Mento or one hot rock or very little heat. Let's add it to the bottle of Diet Coke. Okay, that was pretty exciting. We had a little bit of a geyser there. Let's test it out again, but add more Mentos. Okay, so you've already seen what's happened with one geyser and just a little bit of hot rock. What I have now is I have 3 Mentos or more hot rock. So the higher the heat, hopefully, the bigger the geyser we're going to get. Let's take a look. Now I've never done this before, so I have no idea what's going to happen. But in theory, we should get a pretty big geyser. I've moved my laptop back a bit so I don't get that wet, and I could well freak out. So here we go. Get ready. Here's the vent. Okay, that was alright. We had a little bit of a geyser. Slightly bigger than the last one. Let's do it one more time, but we'll add quite a few Mentos. Okay, so we've been increasing the amount of hot rocks we've been having. Let's up the ante quite a bit now. I have 10 Mentos. Now the last one we did only used 3 Mentos and we got a little tiny geyser. Now we're going to do it with 10 Mentos. I have my bottle of Coke. We've moved to the bathroom because I can imagine this is going to make quite a bit of mess. So I'm going to do this one in the bath. Right, if I can get all these 10 Mentos in, we should get a pretty big geyser. Here we go. Oh no, it got wedged in the top. I'm going to shove it in. It should work. Come on. Can't get the bottle cap off. Yes! Okay then, so we've been upping the amount of hot rock we've been having. Now it's time to really up the ante. Ah. Oh yeah. And that's the end of that. Hope you enjoyed my science experiment today and learned a little about geysers. Now, back to me in the classroom.